Hi guys. Who makes inspections or audits knows really well how frustrating it is to spend half of the time filing forms and printing reports. Unfortunately, this huge amount of papers is necessary, so it would be magical to kill this nuisance and jump directly from work to completed report in a huff. Opera Dynamic eReport is the answer to this dream. It extends our well-known checklist engine, making Opera Audit the final solution for inspection company. Final aim is to have a true paperless procedure that gives you the power to fill the report on the go and automatically inject this data in your company report, avoiding any waste of time. This means 0 seconds from the end of the inspection to the printed document on a desk. In 5 steps, I will show you how. Let's start. No matter how complicated it is, it must represent the document with collected data that you want to print and deliver to your company or your customers. The goal of this process is to have the same format of the report required by the municipality, by the law, or by the quality assurance department in a new and efficient way. Not only. Sometimes it is necessary to add other evidences of an inspection, so you must append extra information, health and safety requirements, detailed expenses, working hours. These notes are quite common information that join the mandatory data. Based on the type of data, like texts, numbers, images, single or multi-choice lists, Opera will dynamically generate the web and mobile application to accomplish these features. Know Your Template report is mirrored inside the Opera database and ready to store data from the field. On the left side, you can see the original report, and on the right side, the web application generated a runtime by Opera. The web app presents the same fields of the report. During the design phase, you can decide when and who will edit these fields. Normally, the generic info are editable during the planning phase, while the data to be collected on site are editable only during inspection. Once the template is ready, in other words, when your empty report is mirrored inside the Opera database, you can start using it for a specific intervention. From the web application, you assign this work order to a specific asset or project, and you start to edit data. For each group or task, you can add specific multimedia files, or you can always add information like drawings, manuals, or spare parts to share with your team located on site. After synchronization, the mobile app will show you all data to be filled through a simple user interface. For usability reasons, all working steps are gathered under different groups of tasks as explained before. The attachments enclosed in the task's description will drive and will train the technicians on site during work. In the hands of your team, you can see the real power of Opera Audit at work. During inspection, Opera Audit app provides to them all information for a perfect work, and, in the meantime, it guides them to fill all requested data in the right way. As you can see, all fields are present in the mobile app. Some of them are only for information, and others are editable. With a few taps, you can fill a complicated form with remarks, dates, or multi-selection checklists, very helpful to avoid any mistakes. Additionally, you can enrich the report with geotagged pictures, files, and finally, you can add a digital signature directly on the smartphone with your finger. But there is more. Opera Audit app works properly during offline or online connection. No matter where you are, you can see the works in progress, and In case of a problem, you can drive them to solve it. When the audit is done, it is enough to tap on the sync button, and all data will be stored on Audit server for your review or final approval. As you can see on the web application, the inspection presents all the data filled through the handheld device. If you have the permissions, you can modify or append other information to complete the inspection. Please note that Audit allows you to manage a 3-level approval process paired with a document review manager, but this is a matter for another video. So finally, when all works are done, it is time to click on the print button and your report will be magically transformed in a doc or a PDF file identical to your original one and ready to be sent to your customers. In this example, the original doc is on the left and the dynamic eReport is on the right. They are identical with only a small difference regarding the multi-choices list. In the original report, you can see the cross on the right choice, whereas in the report, you see directly the final value. The circle is closed, and now you understand the power of Dynamic eReport technology. In this competitive world, to work better in less time is the only way to win. Till now, this equation was almost impossible to achieve, but today you can with Audit and its dynamic eReport technology.